Reading, English, short stories. The classroom. My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 desks for 10 students. On the wall is our artwork. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess, we play on the monkey bar. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. This is the time to go home. Questions. 1. What is the teacher's name? 2. How many students are there? 3. What is hanging on the wall? 4. What do they do during recess? The ocean. The ocean has bright blue water, filled with waves. Many types of fish live in the ocean. Seagulls love flying over the ocean to look for fish. There is soft sand doing the shore, and there are pretty seashells in the sand. The ocean is a great place to visit. Question. 1. What is the color of the water? 2. Who lives in the ocean? 3. What is in the sand?